Today, in the heart of Damascus, chaos erupted as Israeli missiles struck a residential building in the Kafr Sousa district. Syrian state media reported the devastating impact of the attack, highlighting the area's significance as a hub for residential complexes, schools, and Iranian cultural centers. This isn't the first time this district has felt the wrath of such aggression. Just last year, in February 2023, a similar Israeli assault claimed the lives of Iranian military experts, leaving a scar on the community that remains. The aftermath of today's assault paints a grim picture. Syrian state news agency Sana described the scene of destruction, showing images of a charred, multi-story building, a stark reminder of the indiscriminate nature of such attacks. Witnesses recounted the terror they experienced as back-to-back explosions rocked the neighborhood, sending shockwaves through the community. The sound of sirens filled the air as ambulances rushed to the scene, racing against time to aid the injured and offer solace to the traumatized. Amid this turmoil, silence looms from the Israeli military. Questions linger, but answers are elusive. The cycle of violence perpetuates, fueled by geopolitical tensions and competing interests. Iran's steadfast support for President Bashar al-Assad has drawn the ire of Israel, leading to a series of targeted airstrikes aimed at curtailing Tehran's influence in the region. Yet, amidst the rubble and despair, one cannot help but ponder the human cost of this endless conflict, the lives shattered, dreams extinguished, and futures uncertain. As we grapple with the ramification of yet another tragedy, let us not forget the imperative of seeking peace and dialogue. Each missile launched, each building destroyed only deepens the wounds of war. It is time for a collective effort to break this cycle of violence, to forge a path towards reconciliation and understanding. For amid darkness, there must always be a glimmer of hope, a hope for a future where the children of Syria can learn without fear, where communities can thrive without the specter of destruction, and where peace reigns supreme.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.